So basically, I woke up this morning and my Xbox was not turning on. Um, First thing I did was took a look at the power box and the power cord, and the light wasn't on. So then I checked the other wires, and I checked my Ethernet cord and my cable box and everything, and those were all working. So it wasn't the outlet or anything. So I'm going to show you guys what happens when I plug it in. So we got an orange light. Now I'm just going to plug it into the back of the Xbox and watch the light. It just disappears. And then everything's plugged in and we're just not getting any power. So what I did, I saw a bunch of videos on YouTube saying to basically shock your power box instead of resetting it. And resetting mine did not work, unfortunately. But do not shock your box because that will ruin your whole Xbox. What I had to do was go out and buy a brand new power box. So, I'll show you now. Plug the new one in. And we have a white light. And boom. So this isn't really a fix video, but I mean, you can get, if you're having the same problem, I know you can get these power boxes on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below if you're working on a budget, because they do get expensive. In my area, they're like really hard to find, I guess. So I don't think it's fixable, to be honest with you guys, but yeah, I just had to get a new box.